Over the past 5 years, the average CS case has returned between 10 and 100 times profit. So if we take a few examples, this case was worth about 10 cents. Now it's worth $5. This was 30 cents. Now this is about 6. This was $2. Now it's 10. This is like a 5 times multiplier. Not that much compared to other cases. This one was 6 cents. Now it's worth $5. Almost 80 to 90 times profit within 5 years. So 6 years ago, I stopped playing CS. Then I had a few cases that were dropped. I never bought anything, and they're now worth $400. My goal is to get to $2,000 worth of cases and hold them for the next 5 years. I'm expecting at least a 10 times return. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move all my existing cases in a storage unit because I can only hold up to 1,000 items in my inventory. If I move them in the storage unit, I can hold more. And so yeah, let's just buy a storage unit. Okay, so I have 637 cases. I'm going to move them all in the storage unit. So let's deposit some money. Crypto, $15 worth of fees. All right. The deposit is successful. I deposited $1,550. All right, so let's start buying. I'm gonna start with recoil case. Let's place a buy order at 25 cents for 500 cases. Okay, 250, I guess. Now let's place a buy order for fracture case at, okay, 250. All right. Now let's buy some more snakebite cases, 250, and some Prisma, 250. All right, and now we're gonna have to wait for people to accept. If we go to trades, we just bought a bunch of cases. Okay, so I bought 846 cases, and I still have about $1,000, which I need to spend. Okay, so we have finally got almost all of our cases except for this one. Let's add them up. We have a total of $2,003 invested in cases. Let me clean things a bit. These are the initial cases, and these are the cases we invested, $1,550. The initial quantity we had was worth about 450, but that was not invested. That's what my inventory was worth from playing and from not selling the cases for the last 6 years because I did not play the game anymore. So like I said, we have a total of $2,000 worth of cases. I'm planning to make monthly updates with price changes to see how much the cases are worth. If you want to follow that, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and that's it.